It's DIY time. This is going to be fun. 2 items. Guys, it is just lovely, and I'm back with another DIY video. I am going to be making a tray to go on my kitchen island, using this pizza pan from Dollar Tree. Okay, y'all know I like to use Dollar Tree items. And this, remember this right here that I had bought, and I had meant to put it back, but I forgot. It was a 12-pack shower curtain rings. I'm gonna use that and this right here, and I'm gonna make a nice little tray. Okay, stay tuned. So I flipped the pizza pan over and I hot glued these little rings around. Now you're gonna have to put some other adhesive because that hot glue is not gonna do it, baby. It's gonna fall. They're gonna come right back off, or they're gonna come off when you trying to set your stuff on us. You will definitely need to reinforce with some other glue. So I'm putting some Gorilla Glue around it as well, because that hot glue is just, you know, like a temporary thing. And then I'm going to spray paint it. Y'all, so I'm gonna be spraying, and y'all, I got a little bit of what's that stuff called? Glue. Okay, I'm gonna spray paint this white. Hopefully I have enough white spray paint for it. Give me a second and I'm gonna get this done real quick. Okay, y'all, so this is after the first coat. And it hasn't dried yet, so I did do another coat, but I didn't have a chance to go take a picture of it. But this is pretty much what it looks like. The next time you guys will see it is when I'm in the new house, and it is on my kitchen island. Okay, that part. Post in the comments section what you think about this $2.50 Dollar Tree DIY.